Mga Jingo, panoorin natin to. Cutest video of 2025. Probably the cutest video of 2025. Play na natin to. Alright. So, here we go. Yung cute.
I just woke up from a tree. You and I had said goodbye.
Ang galing.
And I roll over the OV. As it's I had said
Ang
goodbye.
galing naman niya.
So could you dance it up tomorrow? Nobody promised tomorrow. So I'm a nine, and last night, and the wall was hanging be next to you. There's a
Ang galing ng voice tone niya, no?
and I tell my part is true. I wanna hold you, just wanna do. The child in the smile, it's our world was ending. I'd be next to you.
Ang galing na bata. Grabe yung boses niya, no? May tono na talaga eh. At ang galing niya, kahit di niya kabisado yung lyrics, pero yung tono, grabe kuwang-kuwa. Ang linis kumanta, napaka-angelic ng boses niya, ang sarap-sarap pakinggan. Alright? Kung nagustuhan niyo ito guys, bigyan ito malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aming channel. You know? Bye-bye po!